Yo, what's up? Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today we're going to be making butterscotch pie, so make sure you leave a like, subscribe with that post notification bell on so you know exactly when I upload a new video. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to start by preheating our oven to 375 degrees. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take our graham cracker pie crusts, and we're going to use some egg white. We're going to brush it onto our pie crust, just like this. See what you're both? And now we are going to bake these in our oven at 375 degrees for 5 minutes, and I will show you the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put our butter into our pan at the bottom. We're going to add our brown sugar, and our water, just like that. And then we're going to turn on the burner, and we will give this a mix together. Buttermilk with the rest of the ingredients. And while we wait for that, we're going to take our flour, put it into our container, and add a little bit of milk. And we're gonna mix this together to make a little bit of a paste. Just like that. This is to make sure you don't have flour clumps. There we go. And we'll just keep mixing this together until it thickens. Just like this. Once that thickens, I'll show you the next step. Okay, now what we're going to do, now that that is thickened, we are going to mix our egg yolks into our paste we made earlier. Just like this. Make sure you get it all in there. There we go. And then we will add the rest of our milk into there. And then we're just going to whisk this together. And then we're going to add this to our other mixture, just like that. And now we're going to stir this till it thickens up. And once it thickens, I will show you the next step. Okay. So now we're going to pour our mixture into our pie fillings now that it's thickened, just like this. You just want to use a rubber spatula to scrape out. And I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put our egg whites into our mixer, just like that. And then we will add our cream of tartar, salt, and our vanilla. And we'll mix this on medium. Okay, now we are going to slowly add our sugar while we mix this. Let's see if it's ready. We're good. So now we can move on to our next step. Okay, now we are going to take our meringue here, and we're going to take our spatula and put this on to our pie. And spread it out. We're gonna put this onto our other one too. And just spread this out until you cover all the sides, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, now we are going to put these into our oven for about 5 to 10 minutes till our meringue turns brown. And then I will show you the finished product. This is our finished product.